substation, again we have to refer something related to section 7, because in today's exemptions you will get exempted services also. So for that, it is required first you have this list with you, which I have created today. These are known as negative list of supply, which is there under section 7, subsection 2 of CGST Act. So kindly take down this negative list, which is very important. Okay, these are the negative list of supply. So what basically wanted to explain us, if there is any services by employer employee in course of employment, there won't be any GST. Even though they are services, even though there are supplies, try to understand what is the negative list. So that is as good as exempted only. Okay. So these things will also come along with section 11. And that is there in next question only. That's why today we need to discuss negative list. Okay. Services by court or tribunal established under law, right? So if they are providing services by tribunal, sale of land, okay, actionable claim, betting, gambling, etc. The function member performed by member of parliament, okay. Duty by any person who holds the position in the purchase in the provision of constitution, and duty performed by any person who is the chairperson or member of directorate board established by central government or state government. For them, automatically they are by default negative list or they are exempted. Am I clear? So along with exemption, this may also come. So kindly take down and then we will look up the next question. That's why you have seen in salary computation under Form 16 and everywhere it is professional tax, not the GST. Okay. And that professional tax is also exempted under section 16(3) as a deduction under head of salary. So these are covered under section 2 subsection section 7 subsection 2 clause A. I can find Aradhya, Shreyas, Asmita, Kinjal, Mathli, Danvit, they all are writing. Hinal, Sashi, Omkar, Aditi, Samida, Ruski, Mehak, and Ruchi. Vaishnavi and Shruti is also there. Remaining student has put their video mode off. I don't know. Once again, it is a reminder, next week onwards, probably next week we will require to complete all the questions to be solved. So after that, there will be second round of assessment of assignment. You have noticed that's why in the sale of land and building till today it is stamp duty and registration, no GST. So whatever it is there as a negative list, you'll find in these cases GST is not applicable. we try to understand, it does not mean if these services or these sales are exempted here or they are under negativeness, they are not chargeable to tax. They are 100% chargeable to tax, but in different ways. Like, that employee employer thinks is computable under salary, and salary is fully taxable. One is with professional tax, other is income tax. Yes or no? है ना? Similarly, any court and tribunal, whatever they are getting remuneration, there will be chargeability of income tax. Okay, funeral, and that's why even you have read there ambulance charges. Okay, that is purely exempted. Never pay to them any kind of GST. I told you just now, sale of land. So there is a taxability on this as a sale of property act, and that keeps changing every year, and thereby there are two kind of tax structure. One is stamp duty and other is registration charges. Okay, again, actionable claim, etc. will also be chargeable here. MP, MLA, that is already there because they are apex board, so they are exempted through GST. If you are there under constitution and if you are employed by chairperson by central or state government, in these cases, even though these are services, even though they are supplies, they will consider as negative list and there won't be any chargeability of tax. Okay, particularly GST. Is this clear to every one of you? Okay. Everyone has completed. I can find Ruchi, Mehak, they have completed writing. Aditi, Samida, okay. Shreyas, Sashi has also stating. Okay. Aradhya, still you are writing? Shreyas and Aradhya? Okay. Just finish it off. Tanya has completed, if I'm not wrong. Okay. So let few more students, let them write first. That's very important. Just now I found one in one of the questions, so that's why I have incorporated this also. Yes, Amida.
So, these services are not exempted. It is just like it has a different tax rate.
Yeah, no, not tax rate. They are chargeable under different act, not under CGST Act. And that's why got it? Say, for example, services by employer-employee. We know it is chargeable under Income Tax Act. So whatever we are getting, we will be chargeable. Even the employers are chargeable. Okay. Similarly, I told you sale of property, which are very common. You must have heard about it. So there is different acts. Okay, and thereby, in sale of property, there is a stamp duty, there is a registration. Right now, the stamp duty charges is 5%. So suppose you are buying a property of 2 lakhs, 2 crores. So 10 lakhs straightforward and 30,000 registration, which is fixed as if now in government of Maharashtra, will be chargeable as tax. So it's never there that it's not chargeable. It is chargeable. But they are not chargeable under GST. Is this clear? They will not charge you GST. So from GST, these are exempted. So there will never be any CGST, SGST, IGST. ऐसा कुछ नहीं रहता है इसमें. Clear है?
तो सर ये जो मतलब लिखा है ना फोर्थ में सेल ऑफ लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग, तो आपने बोला ना उसका वो स्टैम्प ड्यूटी और रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है, तो इनडायरेक्टली वो भी एक तरह से टैक्स ही हो गया.
टैक्स ही है. See, I am telling you, if you are living in the civilized society, हर एक चीज taxable है. Now even air and water is also taxable. याद है अभी कोविड सीजन में ऑक्सीजन ने क्या हालत किया है पूरे कंट्री का. तो यू मस्ट बी सोइंग. अर्लियर हम लोग को बोलते थे कि पानी हवा ये सब फ्री है. अभी कुछ फ्री नहीं है. और समटाइम इट इज कॉस्टलियर देन लाइफ, कॉस्टलियर देन any precious things, costlier than you must have seen during second wave of this pandemic how important it was. People were ready to sell off all their property, but they wanted to get cylinder of oxygen. Understood? Kabhi kuch bhi free nahi hai. Everything is chargeable, and everything, once it is chargeable, it is taxable. Simple funda of life. By one or other act, either in Income Tax Act or in Wealth Tax Act or in Sale of Property Act or in GST Act or in SENVAT, one or in Custom Duty. We are going to learn Custom Act in semester 6. There also you are going to learn how it is chargeable, how it is taxable. So everything is taxable, honestly speaking. Clear है? वो दोनों कहाँ गए? Shreyas, it is done. आराध्य किधर गया?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So now we can take it up this question, which is waiting for you. Last time we did this question, am I right? This was the second question which we did. याद है आप लोगों को? है ना? We did this question first, then we did this question. है ना? Today's question is different. आपको टैक्सेबिलिटी भी ढूंढना है, who is liable वो भी लिखना है, और अगर रीजन है आपके पास why they are not liable to pay वो भी लिखना है. देखो जरा. अच्छा, now let me see. speed post services provided by Department of Post to the government, ये taxable है या नहीं है? Speed?
exempted.
No, I told several times. Only the simple postal services are exempted. Remaining all are taxable. The reason being, if you want to make the survival of courier services, okay, and they are charging GST, then how this speed post will not be chargeable under GST? Understood? देखो मैंने लिखा था, जब मैंने पोस्टल वाला आपको समझाया था, सिंपल पोस्टल मैंने समझाया था, क्लियर है? आई हैव एक्सप्लेन ऑल्सो. बीसी को देखो तो टैक्सेबल है या नहीं है तो क्यों है, ऐसे आपको आंसर देना है. No, it is taxable. It cannot be exempted supply. I'll tell you why. हमको और एक चीज रेफर करना पड़ेगा. वेट एक सेकेंड. इसमें क्या है? टू द गवर्नमेंट. सॉरी, आई एम सो सॉरी. एनीथिंग टू द गवर्नमेंट इज प्योरली exempted. By the government रहता, then we would have taken, understood, simple postal services, which is also explained here. So you need to read little bit. इसी में आज section 7 आया तो मैंने आपको exempted वाला सिखाया. See, anything to the government is exempted. ठीक है? Understood? Government means central, state, local authority. By the government means only simple postal. Agar postal department is doing express parcel, speed post, right? They are taxable. Insurance, you must be knowing. Nowadays, postals are in insurance also. Post office are as working as bank also. ATM भी है उनके post office के बाहर. So those are chargeable. जितना HDFC बैंक आपको GST चार्ज करेगा, उतना पोस्ट ऑफिस बैंक भी GST चार्ज करेगा. क्लियर है? And that's why this particular exempted PDF मैंने आपको शेयर किया था आपके ग्रुप में. And I am telling you, you have to read. Next. Similarly, यहाँ भी लिखना है. Express parcel services by Department of Post to a business entity. Okay. Similarly, here also you have to write whether it is taxable or not. Okay. Who will be liable to pay and their remarks. So you have found three type of question. First type of question like this. Second type of question was similar to that, but we took the taxability at bottom. Third type of question will be given. They may ask whether it is taxable or who will liable, and if it is exempted under what, etc., etc. Now tell me, express parcel, post office services, whether it will be taxable or not.
Exempted.
Yeah, tell me, Aradhya.
Exempt होगा ना कुछ.
No. अभी आपको सिखाया.
Taxable.
It is taxable. देखो लिखा है. अभी समझाया ना. सिंपल सिर्फ पोस्टल रहेगा, letter, then only it is exempted. Remaining all will be taxable. Just now I have explained. Clear है? The Department of Post will charge from you and they are going to pay to the government amount of tax. Aircraft or vessels,
Sir, taxable.
अगेन यहाँ पे देखना है आपको, हाँ? And accordingly you have to mention. Very correct. Next, transportation of goods or passengers.
Exempted.
हाँ?
Exempted.
AC नॉन AC नहीं दिया है. AC रहता तो फुल्ली टैक्सेबल रहता था. नॉन AC रहेगा तो
So the लिख दो easy.
ये देखो, only here it will be exempted, remaining will be taxable.
तो सर अभी ये क्वेश्चन में कुछ ऐसा लिखा नहीं था तो फिर टैक्सेबल होगा.
हाँ, अगर वो 7 सिस्टर रहेगा तो बोलेंगे. ओके, नॉन AC रहेगा तो भी बोलेंगे. आज आपने देखा रहेगा इवन BST has converted everything into AC, passenger transport. Yes or no? Have you seen or not? जब से ओला उबर आया है, BST also has transformed. सिमिलरली आप देखना, जब भी आप रेलवे टिकट करते हो ना, जनरल टिकट लो, देयर वोंट बी एनी GST. AC टिकट लो, देयर विल बी ए GST. AC से नफरत है गवर्नमेंट को, पता नहीं हर एक जगह जहाँ AC है, AC ऑटो रिक्शा रहेगा ना, देन ऑल्सो देयर इज अ GST. So this all after 1 or 2 learning you will be able to remember, recollect and reproduce. No worry. Next, renting of immovable property. बताओ.
So taxable.
Perfect. Next, other services provided by business entity whose turnover is 8 lakhs.
So tax.
The exempt na.
Exempted.
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 याद आया? इसके लिए मैं अभी सेक्शन 7 रेफर किया था. Last, we have very little time.
Taxable.
Okay? समझ में आया आप लोगों को? So along with section 11, even the reference of section 7 is very important. Are you understanding? Because section 7 covers actual definition of supply, its complexity, exempted supply, negative list of supply, that is by default will be exempted. Is this clear? समझ में आया आप लोगों को? इसके लिए वो सीखना बहुत जरूरी है. With this note, let's meet tomorrow again. Okay? And we'll continue further questions. Okay? Exemptions पे और कुछ questions करने होंगे तो आपका बेस बनेगा. अभी भी hardly few student is able to answer. And you know जब तक सबको perfect, सबको म्हणजे those who are regular, those to whom I can see their faces, till then it will be there. तब तक मैं definitely कुछ न कुछ questions करवाते रहूंगा. Okay? And don't worry, we have already completed our syllabus. Nothing new we should learn till 17th of August onwards. Yani first semester ka already 2 modules are over. So anything new we will try to learn after our CE1. Okay? Please start preparation of